Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Awaken. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. You might have heard of AI being used in self-driving cars, virtual assistants, or even in Netflix recommendations. But what exactly is AI, and how does it work? What is AI? AI is a way to make machines think and learn like humans. It's just a mimicry of human intelligence. It's not just about programming a computer to do a specific task, but about creating systems that can learn from data, make decisions, and improve over time. Think of AI like a super smart robot that can help us with various tasks, from simple to complex. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the fascinating bridge between human intelligence and machine capability. It's not just about programming computers to follow instructions, it's about creating systems that can think, learn, and adapt like humans. AI mimics cognitive functions such as problem solving, pattern recognition, and decision-making, allowing machines to evolve based on experience. Imagine a digital brain that grows smarter over time, helping us solve problems, automate tasks, and even push the boundaries of innovation. From chatbots that answer questions to self-driving cars navigating busy streets, AI is reshaping the world one intelligent algorithm at a time. How AI works. So, how does AI actually work? Imagine teaching a child to recognize objects. You show them countless pictures, and over time, they learn to identify patterns. AI functions similarly, but at an extraordinary scale. It all begins with data, vast amounts of it. AI systems analyze this data, learn from patterns, make predictions, and continuously improve through experience. This learning process is called machine learning, the backbone of AI innovation. There are three primary types of machine learning. 1. Supervised learning. Like a student with a teacher, AI is trained on labeled data, learning to associate inputs with specific outputs. 2. Unsupervised learning. No labels, no instructions, just raw data. The AI uncovers hidden patterns and structures, much like an explorer finding connections in a complex landscape. 3. Reinforcement learning. Think of a game-playing AI. It learns by trial and error, receiving rewards for good decisions and adjusting its approach to maximize success. AI's ability to mimic human intelligence comes from its capacity to adapt, refine, and optimize, turning raw data into insights that revolutionize industries, automate tasks, and even make decisions more efficiently than humans. Let us explore these machine learnings. Number 1. Supervised learning. Let's start with supervised learning. Imagine you're trying to teach a child to recognize different types of animals. You show them pictures of cats and dogs, and tell them which ones are cats and which ones are dogs. Over time, the child learns to recognize the patterns and can identify new animals they've never seen before. Supervised learning works in a similar way. The AI system is trained on labeled data, where the correct output is already known. The system learns to map the input data to the correct output, and can make predictions on new, unseen data. Examples of supervised learning include image classification, speech recognition, and sentiment analysis. Number 2. Unsupervised learning. Now, let's talk about unsupervised learning. Imagine you're given a bunch of toys, and you're asked to group them into different categories without any guidance. You might group them by shape, color, or size. Unsupervised learning works in a similar way. The AI system is trained on unlabeled data, and it identifies patterns and relationships on its own. The system can group similar data points together, or identify anomalies and outliers. Examples of unsupervised learning include clustering, dimensionality reduction, and anomaly detection. Number 3. Reinforcement learning. Finally, let's discuss reinforcement learning. Imagine you're playing a game, and you receive rewards or penalties for your actions. You learn to make decisions based on the rewards or penalties you receive. Reinforcement learning works in a similar way. The AI system learns through trial and error by interacting with an environment. The system receives rewards or penalties for its actions, and it learns to make decisions that maximize the rewards. Examples of reinforcement learning include game playing, robotics, and autonomous vehicles. How AI learns. AI learns through a combination of these machine learning techniques. By training on vast amounts of data, AI systems can learn patterns, make predictions, and improve over time. Whether it's recognizing images, understanding speech, or making decisions, AI can learn to perform a wide range of tasks. Now let's talk about the scope of AI. Should I study AI? If you're interested in technology, problem solving, and innovation, then yes, you should definitely consider studying AI. AI is a rapidly growing field with numerous applications in healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. By studying AI, you can gain skills in machine learning, deep learning, and data science, which are highly sought after by employers. Career opportunities in AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace, creating a wealth of career opportunities for those who dive into this cutting-edge field. If you're passionate about technology and innovation, here are some exciting roles to consider. AI engineer, the architects of AI. These experts design and develop intelligent systems, crafting algorithms that power everything from virtual assistants to self-driving cars. Machine learning engineer, the masterminds behind learning machines. They build and refine machine learning models that enable computers to improve their accuracy and efficiency over time. Data scientist, the detectives of the digital age. They analyze vast data sets to uncover patterns, provide insights, and guide business decisions with predictive modeling. Research scientist, the pioneers of AI exploration. These visionaries push the boundaries of artificial intelligence, developing new techniques that shape the future of technology. With AI continuing to evolve, the possibilities in this field are limitless. Whether you're designing groundbreaking algorithms, optimizing machine learning models, or unlocking the secrets hidden within data, AI offers a career path rich with potential and innovation. There are many myths circling around about AI. Let's debunk them. Number 1, AI will take all our jobs. Hold up, let's talk reality. AI is great at automating repetitive tasks, but it's also creating new careers we never imagined before. Think AI ethicists, data curators, prompt engineers, roles that help shape how AI integrates into society. Instead of replacing us, AI works alongside us to improve efficiency, free up time, and spark new opportunities. Number 2, AI will be smarter than humans soon. Not so fast. While AI can process vast amounts of data quickly, it doesn't understand emotions, creativity, or complex reasoning the way humans do. Right now, AI is great at specific tasks. Chatbots answer questions, algorithms recommend movies, but it's nowhere near fully replicating human intelligence. We're still far ahead when it comes to imagination, intuition, and genuine understanding. Number 3, AI is just unpredictable magic. Nope, there's no wizard behind the curtain. AI runs on math, data, and human-made algorithms. Everything AI does follows clear patterns and logic set by programmers. It might feel like AI is thinking, but it's really analyzing massive amounts of data and making educated guesses based on probabilities. No magic tricks, just solid science. At the end of the day, AI is a tool, a powerful, evolving one. It's here to enhance human potential, not replace it, and the better we understand it, the smarter we can use it to shape our future. And that's a wrap on our journey into the world of AI. Hopefully, you now have a clearer and more exciting understanding of what AI is, how it works, and the incredible ways it's shaping industries, creativity, and even our daily lives. But here's the thing, this is just the beginning. AI is evolving at lightning speed, opening doors to innovation we never imagined possible. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone fascinated by technology, there's never been a better time to explore AI and see how it can impact the world and your own future. Think of AI as more than just machines. It's a tool for creativity, a companion in problem solving, and a gateway to endless opportunities. From revolutionizing healthcare to predicting market trends, AI is reshaping our world, and those who understand it will be the ones shaping the future. So, what's next? Maybe you'll start learning how AI algorithms work, maybe you'll experiment with AI tools, or maybe you'll just keep diving deeper into this fascinating field. Whatever your path, AI will be a game changer, and you're right at the frontier of discovery.